The world is changing, fast. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's powerful, and it's transforming our lives in unprecedented ways. Recent breakthroughs, particularly with new AI models, are reshaping industries, challenging our perceptions, and raising profound questions about the future. Are we ready for this new era? The speed of AI development is astonishing. Just a few years ago, AI struggled with basic tasks. Now, it can generate human-quality text, compose music, and even design complex systems. These advances are not just incremental, they represent a fundamental shift in what AI can do. This rapid progress is both exciting and unnerving. It holds immense potential for good, but it also carries significant risks. The stakes are high. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, and countless other fields. It could help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. However, without careful consideration and responsible development, AI could also exacerbate existing inequalities, displace millions of workers, and even pose existential threats. One of the most remarkable aspects of recent AI advancements is the sheer breadth of capabilities these systems now possess. OpenAI's latest models, for instance, are capable of tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human intelligence. They can write different kinds of creative content like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. These AI models are no longer limited to narrow, specialized tasks. They are becoming increasingly versatile, capable of adapting to new situations and solving problems across a wide range of domains. This versatility stems from their ability to learn from massive data sets, identifying patterns and making connections that would be impossible for humans to discern. This newfound proficiency in coding is particularly noteworthy. AI can now generate functional code in multiple programming languages, automating tasks that once required skilled human programmers. This has significant implications for the software development industry and beyond, as AI tools become increasingly integrated into the workflows of designers, engineers, and other professionals. Moreover, AI is making inroads into creative fields that were once thought to be immune to automation. AI-generated art, music, and literature are no longer novelties. They are becoming increasingly sophisticated and challenging our notions of creativity itself. This raises profound questions about the nature of art, the role of the artist, and the future of human expression in an age of AI. As AI systems become more capable, they are poised to reshape the job market in profound ways. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks, data analysis, and even some aspects of creative work are increasingly at risk of automation. This is not a distant threat, it's already happening. Customer service, data entry, and manufacturing are among the sectors already experiencing significant job displacement due to AI. As AI technology continues to advance, it's likely that more complex jobs in fields like law, finance, and medicine will also be affected. This raises concerns about widespread unemployment, social unrest, and the need for new economic models. However, it's not all doom and gloom. While AI will undoubtedly displace certain jobs, it will also create new opportunities. The demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and professionals skilled in working with AI systems is rapidly growing. Governments and educational institutions need to adapt quickly to prepare the workforce for this new reality. Furthermore, AI has the potential to enhance human capabilities in the workplace. By automating tedious and repetitive tasks, AI can free up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling aspects of their jobs. This could lead to increased productivity, innovation, and job satisfaction. Let's discuss deepfakes and the erosion of trust. The rise of AI has also given birth to a new breed of digital deception, deepfakes. These AI-generated videos and audio recordings can convincingly portray individuals saying or doing things they never actually did or said. The implications for misinformation, propaganda, and the erosion of trust are deeply concerning. Deepfakes have already been used to spread fake news, manipulate public opinion, and even harass individuals. As the technology becomes more sophisticated and accessible, the potential for harm will only grow. Distinguishing real content from fabricated content is becoming increasingly difficult, leading to a climate of skepticism and uncertainty. This erosion of trust extends beyond individual pieces of content. It threatens to undermine our faith in institutions, the media, and even our own senses. In a world where seeing is no longer believing, how do we establish truth, accountability, and justice? This is a critical question that we must grapple with as AI technology continues to evolve. The fight against deepfakes requires a multi-pronged approach. Tech companies need to develop better tools for detecting and labeling manipulated content. Governments need to enact legislation to deter the creation and distribution of malicious deepfakes. And individuals need to develop critical media literacy skills to navigate this increasingly complex information landscape. We're standing at the edge of a technological revolution. The question isn't, can we stop it? It's how do we make it work for everyone? If you found this video entertaining or thought-provoking, hit that like button. Drop a comment below with your take on where AI is headed. Let's build a wholesome, curious conversation right here. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Big changes are coming, and we'll be covering every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart, stay curious.